remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Other websites. Okay. First, you must update your profile for withdrawal. Okay, click here, enter your BTC wallet address and perfect money. Okay, click edit and enter your BTC wallet address and perfect money. Okay, I have already done this. Then your next step is what? First, I am showing you. If I am clicking here, okay, withdrawal. After clicking withdrawal, then click here withdrawal again. Okay, click. Okay, it's opening. Okay, as you will see here, your withdrawal balance is 0. Okay, your withdrawal balance is 0, and okay, as you will see here, okay, here is, as you will see here, my withdrawal is 0. Okay, I can't or I cannot apply for withdrawal because my withdrawal balance is 0. Why? Okay, if I am clicking here to dashboard, then you will see here Okay, here my total income 41. Okay, and okay, if I am clearing this, then my ROI income 31. Okay, and but my withdrawal balance is Y0. Okay, total income 41 and ROI. I can withdraw, but my withdrawal balance is 0. Okay, it's more confusing or new investors. Okay, and asking questions again and again. I cannot apply withdrawals. Why? Okay, see how to. First, okay, just click here income report wallet. As you will see here, here is two options, wallet, and here is income wallet. Okay, here is income report and here is income wallet. This option, okay, as you will see here, this option, income wallet. Okay, just I am clicking here income wallet. Okay, after clicking income wallet, as you will see here, your income wallet here is your referrals incomes. Okay, then again I am clicking here. If I am clicking here, and if I am clicking here ROI wallet, okay, both wallets you can apply for withdrawal this amount. Okay, income wallet is what? Your referrals wallet. Okay, direct referrals and binary referrals or team bonus, and ROI is your investment profits. Okay, now what to do, your next step? I am just clicking here transfer fund. Okay, this option, transfer fund. After that, income to withdrawal, click here. As you will see here, my income wallet is 22.48. This is my referrals income, direct referrals and team bonus. Okay, and ROI is different. See, first I am transferring this amount for withdrawal. Okay, type here 0.48, click here to transfer it. Okay, it's transferred successfully. As you will see here, fund transferred successfully. Click OK. Okay, after clicking OK, then your next step, again click here transfer fund. Now it's the time of ROI to withdraw. Click here to ROI. You must check your both wallets. My ROI balance is 19.36 and click here to transfer. Okay, fund transferred successfully. Click here to OK. Okay, after clicking, as you will see here, now my total income is 22 and ROI income is 31. Now click here to withdraw and click here to withdraw. Okay, as you will see here, your withdrawal wallet balance is 19.360. Okay, click here, type 19.360, click here to enter for withdrawal. Withdrawal will be processed within 48 hours. Okay, okay, I am again clicking here transfer fund and click here income to withdrawal. Again check it. Okay, why your balance is only $19. Again transfer it 22. In this time you just type $22. Click here to transfer. Fund transferred successfully. Click here to OK. Okay, now total income is 0.48. Okay, now again click here to withdrawal and click here to withdraw. Now type here $22. Okay, withdrawal will be processed within 48 hours. Click here to OK. Okay, again check it. I am applying 2 times, but first time it's not applied. Okay, as you will see here, withdrawal wallet $22 applied. Okay, and if you are seeing withdrawal report, click here to withdrawal report. As you will see here, your 2 withdrawals in process. One is your referrals income, other one is your ROI income. Okay, $22 and $19. Both withdrawals in process. Okay, it will complete 48 hours. I hope you will understand how to apply for withdrawal in this way. Okay, that's all. Now click here to dashboard. Now everything you will done. 0.48 income and ROI.